Hey, welcome back to Rick's Joke of the Day. On the 6th day of Christmas, Rick has brought to thee, why does a snowman have a smile on his face? Because he saw the snowblower coming down the block. Hi, we're about to have a game of tag. If you catch me, you have to send the joke to ricksjoke@yahoo.com and subscribe to the YouTube channel Gadget6003 and like and share the videos all over the world. Ready? Come get me. No, you got me. You know what that means.